Okay, so everyone who recalls Vegemite being shiny, Vegemite has changed. It originally was created in 1922. It was owned by Kraft up until January 2017, and then it was acquired by an Australian group. And since then, it seems to have changed flavour. I don't recall it being as shiny as this. I also don't recall it being sour and bitter. It's changed. It was a nice, what would I say, matte finish. It had a nice flavour. It was, as described here, salty, bitter, malty, and rich in glutamates. Now it's just yeasty and bitter. Has anyone else got that same comment? Please add your comments to my video. Thanks.